Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to see that a scenario based into question for pyspark. So problem definition is we are having a data frame, the CSV file that contains two columns, student name and marks. Here student names and marks both are duplicated because one student have many subjects. Based on that he is having some marks. The problem is while doing some transition from one source to target, there are some pipelines are there. So while taking transformations and there is something is wrong happened, so data is not captured properly, so that is stored into the target data frame. The question is that how we are going to identify that what are the correct count and incorrect count for the data frame, so that are going to transfer from source to target. So to take this part and to take the solution for this, I am using Google Colab, and along with that I'm going to use pyspark library. So I'm going to execute the pyspark program in Google Colab. Just to avoid that installation burden, I'm going to use Google Colab here. Then we are going to import certain packages, spy section and import call and when. So based on the requirement we can take any other packages. So first I'm going to import the CSV file and create the data frame from the CSV file using spark.read.csv. So once I do that, I can get the output of the input data frame like this. These are the stored in terms of data frame from CSV file. Next one is I will just modify some of the things to understand that in the many transformations data is done some mismatch, data is going to corrupted. So to do that I am just updating some of the values based on the certain condition. So I'm going to use the width column for the marks. I'm going to update the marks. If marks is greater than 80, I'm making as a 95. So just to identify that differences between source and target, how we are going to identify the valid records in the data frame. So just to understand what are the differences between source and target, we are going to use that subtract function that mainly used to identify that differences between one data frame to another data frame. So df is the input data frame is a source and updated is a target data frame. So once we do the subtraction, what happen is going to show the differences. So this is a updated data frame where I am going to change the values from 80 to 96. So like that we are going to do that here. So after that we are going to take the subtraction. So once I have done the subtraction, we are going to get the differences between source and target. So these are the records that found some differences. The question is that while doing some transformation, data is captured, whatever data is captured, that is corrupted. So that may be due to some invalid transformation, data values are changed here. So we need to identify that whether source and target data is matched or not. Using the subtract operator, we can going to do this. Other than this, we can also use the except all function as well. That also works same for this. Okay. So once I done this activity, I have to restore the data into the target mode. So like that, using the write operation, we are going to do this. So once we do that, that data is stored into the terms of CSV file. So this is the logic. So when to identify the differences between source and target, so we are going to validate that source to target. This is a way we can do the validation. So this is about the how to take the validation between source and target. I hope you understand the video, and if you have any doubts, put the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.